All right, Dave, here it is. This is your 302, and this is Dylan. He's going to give you a run through on this bad boy. We're going to start in the front, work our way around the outside, and then head inside and finish up there. So, Dylan, take it away.
Alrighty, we'll start from the front here. This is your manual jack in the front. Got your safety chains here. Got your breakaway cable. Got your 7-way connector for your truck. Inside here is your 2 5-gallon propane tanks. Those are full for you. Back here we've got your 2 Group 24 batteries. Those are new. Installed those. Here we have a solar prep. If you ever wanted to install a solar panel on top or outside, this is a quick connect here. It's inputted into your batteries, so it'll trickle charge your batteries. Over here we have a pass-through bin. Right on the side, goes all the way through. You've got little lights right here on the inside, on both sides. These are your electric stabilizer jacks. Your electric switches on the other side, the pass-through bin. I'll show you that when we get over there on that side. Right here, this connection is a black tank flush. Put a garden hose in here. Always make sure that your knife valve for your black tank is open and you have your discharge hose on. This will pressurize your system through this. So always make sure that all this is open before you go and pressurize your system with this. So this black tank flush, it's connected to the top of your black tank and it has probes inside. So when you hook it up and you turn water on, it has probes inside that'll spray the outside or the inside of the tank on the sides. That way it keeps your sensors clean, keeps everything running smoothly. You want to do that probably once a year depending on usage. So back down here, this is your valve for your black tank. This is what you pull to release everything from the black tank into your hose. This here is your gray side. This, I believe, is just for your bathroom. So you also have another black or a gray tank valve on the other side. I'll show you that in a second. That's going to be for your sink. So this is just for your bathroom. Move around the back. So back here under your slide, this is your second gray tank. So this is just going to be for your dishwater. You have your valve here, you pull that out and that opens up the valve to let things flow through your tank here. This is your 50 amp short cord. It connects straight into a junction box if you're out camping at a RV park. That's what powers without using your batteries. This back here is the back side of your refrigerator. It's basically just for maintenance purposes. You have an electric side that plugs in and then your propane side is on this side. This is basically just for maintenance. We suggest once every couple years, make sure you blow everything out because it can get bees and other rodents in there. You don't want them chewing on things and messing things up. So this is the cable connection. So if you're at a RV park and you want cable inside, hook your cable line up in here and you'll get cable inside. This here is your city water connection. This will pressurize your whole system inside without having to pull from your fresh tank or use your water pump. Put a garden hose right in here. This will pressurize your whole system so you don't have to worry about using your pump. This is your outdoor shower. Runs off of your tank, or if you're using your city water connection, on, off, pretty basic there. Spare tire back here. This here's your hot water heater. You have an electric side and a propane side. Pretty maintenance free, everything's on a switch inside. I'll show you that when we head inside, how all that works. You have electrical outlets outside. the back of your furnace. It gets very hot through this outlet, so make sure you don't put anything in front of it that'll burn. It gets extremely hot. This is your fresh fill tank. So this is actually gravity fill. So you put your hose in here, it fills up into your tank. You have a monitor panel inside so that you can test and see exactly how full you're getting. You've got speakers outside for your stereo. You've got a night light out here, your awning. So down under here, you've got 2 low point drains. This will drain, this is the hot side, this will drain all your water lines inside, and this is your cold side. So turn these valves and all the water inside of your drains will drain right out these 2. All right, so here is the other side of your pass-through bin in the front. This here is a handle so that for some reason if your electric stabilizers quit working, you have a way to turn them manually. This slides right in here like this. You can turn them, rotate them to go down. Let's see, get her in there. Yeah. So you can use them manually so you're not going to be stuck anywhere. Put that right in here. Okay, so your electric side for your stabilizer is pretty simple. You've got an extend and a retract. The top is for your front stabilizers. Open down. Always remember, these are stabilizer jacks. They're only designed to stabilize your trailer from rocking side to side. They're not actually meant to lift up your trailer. The bottom one is for your back. All right, now we're gonna go into the inside of your unit. Open the door. You've got your steps here. These fold in and out. Very simple. Pull this bar. It comes out just like that. Step inside. All right, so I'll show you right here. This switch here is for the little amber light outside. This second one is for your interior lights. This light here is for your awning. You have an awning inside of the tube when you have your awning fully extended. This is your awning switch, in and out. This is your slide out control. Press this button, this will slide your slide out in. Press down, it'll put your slide out out. This is your thermostat. Pretty basic, probably just the same thing you have at home. Got your temperature up here. All the way to the left is cool. You could switch it over just to have a fan on. Off button, heat. When you switch it over to the heat, it'll automatically click on the furnace outside. You have your different settings for your fan. Auto side, high and low. On, low and high. Let's move over this way. You have your 2 chairs here. Window. You have your LP detector here. This is for your propane. This will tell if you have a propane leak inside. You have outlets here. This is for your furnace. This is where your heat comes out. There's multiple ducts throughout the whole unit, so you'll probably see it throughout the video. This is just for your heat. Your AC is ducted through the ceiling. You have multiple vents here for that. Your AC unit is here. You have slides on both sides. This is so if you want to have AC right here, you open these up. If you want to duct it through the ceiling, you close both of these and it'll duct it through your vents up top. Down here in your kitchen, this is going to be your fuse panel, and your breaker box. These are your breakers here for the entire unit. Everything is labeled down here for what each one does. Then you have your fuses over here. All of them are 15s, so make sure you bring extra fuses with you whenever you leave. You don't want to be stranded if one of these fuses goes out. You have multiple cabinets. This one here, you've got a slide drawer that slides out. Very cool. Got underneath your sink, more storage there. Got your faucet, hot and cold. Got little lights throughout the whole unit. More storage up here. Got your microwave here. Pretty standard. Got your lights for your stove. Your fan. So here's your stove top. So this button here has a sparker, and there's a sparker in each burner. So when you turn on your propane, turn this over, that'll light your burners. Just like that. So down here's your oven. So your oven does not have a sparker in it. So you'll have to light your pilot light underneath. Down underneath in the very back there's a pilot light. You'll hold the lighter there and that'll actually ignite your pilot light. Turn your switch over to light. Up here, this is your oven switch. You'll have to turn it over to light. Then light your burner back there. And it has a heating element in it. So if it doesn't light right away, hold your flame there until your pilot light warms up, and then you'll be able to start your burners. Okay, so your refrigerator. So this is automatic. So on and off button here. It's automatic. So if you're ever hooked up to shore power, which we are right now, it'll automatically pull your 50 amp. Pull the button out, and it'll automatically switch over to gas. So unless you want to run gas, I would always keep it in the auto position because it'll automatically pick which one you want to use, which one's available. Got the inside of your freezer. Here's your keys right there. Inside of your refrigerator, you've got all your manuals. Got all your manuals in here for everything that's installed in this. Manuals for everything. You have individual light switches here. This first one is for the light in between your couch and your dinette table. The second one is for the lights on the ceiling. More cabinet space up above the couch. This little switch here is for the little LED strip up here that will go right behind your TV. This connection here is for your cable booster. So This actually amplifies the signal you get off your antenna that's up top. So whenever you're watching TV and want to search for channels, make sure this button's in. That'll amplify your signal so you can get the most channels off your antenna. So down here is your stereo. So you've got two different zones. Zone 1 is for inside here, which is the left top button. And then you have a zone 2. You press the zone 2 button and that's for your speakers outside. Volume button, that's how you change the channels. You've got a Bluetooth option. You've got an option to run DVDs through this, which you'll plug this into the back of your TV for watching DVDs. Down here, this is your central vac system. On button. All of your hoses and cords that you need for this are underneath your bed. I'll show you that when we get over there. More storage down here. Okay, so this is your bathroom. Bathroom door here. So this is your monitor panel I was telling you about earlier when we were outside. So this will tell you what level you're at for each individual thing you have down here. So this is your battery level, which is full. You have brand new batteries in. Fresh. I have water in here that we can drain it if you want. Black tank empty, gray tank empty, gray tank 2 empty. So this is your switch for your water pump. Turn that on. Your water heater for gas. Flip that on, it'll fire outside automatically. And then you have your water heater electric side, which is there. So you've got two different switches here. This is for your lights in the bathroom. Second switch is for your fan up top. Pull this lever down, click it into place. That opens up your dome up top. You got your vanity here. Got your faucet here for your bathroom sink. More storage underneath. Got your shower with sliding doors. This here is a little handle, so during travel, flip this over, that locks into place so things aren't jumbling around when you're traveling. Okay, so this here is a slide out. This is for your wardrobe. Got 3 different doors for this. Probably show them the slide out button for this, which is in the bedroom. Got your bed here. Got lights behind for reading. Got 2 vents here for the AC. Up top, this is another lever pull dome that you have there to circulate air. This is a cable connection, so if you have cable outside, you can put a TV right here for the TV backer location. You can hook up your TV for your inputs there. This is a switch for your lights inside. And then this is your slide out control for your slide out there for your wardrobe. Press up for in, slide your slide out in. Press down for out, slide out goes out. Then you have a little storage compartment underneath your bed. Lift up on this. You've got a storage compartment here. There's all your hoses for your central vac system I just showed you. Nice big storage compartment. Door for your bedroom. It's a little hall light here right next to your bedroom door. And I think we're done.
All right, that's about it. Hope you love it, Dave. Thanks.